Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में. Admissions open.
Reiterating its concerns over recent incidents of violence against foreign students in Kyrgyzstan, India on Wednesday urged its students in the country to remain vigilant, urging them not to pay attention to rumors being spread by mischievous elements. Speaking about the current situation in Bishkek, the Indian embassy in Kyrgyzstan stated that no untoward incident has been reported over the past few days and there are no restrictions as well. However, the embassy noted that classes are being conducted online as a measure of precaution. Since the violence against outside students escalated, the Indian embassy in Kyrgyzstan started working swiftly with the universities and senior government functionaries to address the concerns of the students. 2 helpline numbers were also issued by the embassy for students to reach out in case of emergency or for assistance. Last week, India advised students studying in Kyrgyzstan to remain indoors after 29 people were injured when violent mobs targeted foreign nationals in Bishkek. Fortunately, there were no reports of casualties among the Indian students. However, violence was reported against the Pakistani students. The situation escalated after hundreds of local men attacked buildings of hostels housing foreign students in retaliation to an incident of May 13th, when some Kyrgyz men were allegedly beaten by Egyptian students. India's ambassador to Kyrgyzstan, Arun Kumar Chatterjee, visited Jalalabad State University on May 18 and the International Higher School of Medicine in Bishkek on Wednesday to interact with the students. Additionally, other officials of the Indian Embassy also visited other medical universities such as the Eurasian Medical University to address the concerns of the students. For those unaware, a large number of students from India join medical colleges in Kyrgyzstan every year. The number currently stands at about 17,000 students residing in various cities around the country, especially in Bishkek. Last week, a violent mob in Kyrgyzstan reportedly targeted hostels of medical universities in Bishkek, where students from India, Pakistan and Bangladesh are residing. Importantly, no Indian students have been injured or reported injured in the attacks as of now.